Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to look at Bybit 2025 recap, how to join the lucky draw to try your luck. They are currently doing recap on Bybit. I believe all of us have a Bybit account, and if you will be using your Bybit account, go and try your luck now. So here we are going to do the lucky draw, how to benefit from this USDT or MNT rewards. Now if you're coming across this channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please do well to like, share and subscribe, turn on the bell notification, as well join our WhatsApp, our Telegram channel for high value updates. So once you come to your Bybit app, you have to locate this place that says more, tap on the more. So now you can see there's a lot of campaign going on, or recap or something like that. So you can now see 2025 recap. It is still new. Tap on it. Then it's going to bring you here. You allow it to load. Hi there, ready to dive into your 2025 recap. So you have to click on check my 2025 recap. So once you click on it, it's going to bring you here your peak account quality 12.32, this and that. So this is your milestone trading view. In 2010, you have been with us for 561 days, and Bybit, just take your time and read. We have always bounced back in the face of challenges each time we have. So it's going to give you this thing. Now you click on this share. You click on this share. So allow it to share. So once you do that, you're going to copy the referral code. I'm also going to attach my 2025 yearly recap referral code so that you can use it. So what I'm going to do is to cancel this. Click on this to cancel. Once you cancel it, you can now see join the draw. Join the draw. Wait for it to load. So we are now going to Spain to try our luck. Bybit 2025 recap lucky draw. Check out your 2025 Bybit and enter the lucky draw to win up to 100 MNT. You can win 100 MNT airdrop. You can win 1 MNT. You can win 1 USDT. You can as well win 0.1 MNT and 0.1 USD and the good luck. Thank you. So what we have here is just to spin and try our luck. Let's spin. Let's see what I'm going to win. Oh, better luck next time. They said I did not get anything. I got good luck. So I'm a good luck. No wahala, is still something. Remaining chances and rewards. No reward. So you go back. Once you go back, if you are lucky enough to win, you go back, you come back to your asset. If you are lucky, if you win anything, come out to your asset, click on asset. Now you are not going to click on this asset here. That is where you will see the reward that you won. So go and try your luck now and know if you are qualified to win this lucky draw. You never can tell, you might be lucky. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys. See you guys in my next video.